What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how to put pictures in TikTok comments and clear up a common misconception, because the feature works a little differently than people expect. Right now, TikTok does not allow you to directly upload photos into comments the way you might on some other platforms. There's no button to attach an image inside the comment section itself. However, there are a couple of workarounds you can use. The first option is replying with a video. If someone leaves a comment and you want to respond with a picture, tap the comment and choose Reply with Video. You can then upload a photo from your gallery or add multiple images using TikTok's photo tools and post it as a video reply to that comment. Another option is using stickers or images inside a video. You can create a short video, add your image as a sticker or background, and reference the comment you're responding to. This is currently the closest way to visually reply to comments on TikTok. If you're seeing people with images near comments, those are usually video replies, stickers, or profile-linked content, not actual image uploads inside the comment section. So for now, while you can't post pictures directly in TikTok comments, replying with a video that includes images is the best workaround. And that's it. That's how picture replies work in TikTok comments and what your options are. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.